how to connect Square to WooCommerce. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how you will be able to use our Square platform together with our WooCommerce. So over here, right now, I'm currently in my WordPress website and I currently have my WooCommerce set up. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to plugins. In this plugins, you will be able to see that we have the option to add a new plugin. So click that as well. And then we're simply going to search Square inside of our plugins. And we will be able to see over here, WooCommerce Square, which will allow us to accept payments, synchronize sales, and manage inventory. So simply click on Install Now, and you will then be able to now use a Square with your WooCommerce. Click Activate, and then you will be able to now use it. And so that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.